Hi you guys, oh my god, welcome back to my channel. You guys, thank you so very much for tuning in, and today I am back with another hair review and I'm so excited. I'm so happy, as you can tell, because this is lit. I get super excited, you know what I'm saying, when I receive new things. This right here is definitely one of the new things, and it's so exciting. I'm so happy. So, I've been doing my little natural journey for a little minute now, you guys, and I haven't had a sew-in in well over a year and a half maybe. And you know, this is as close as it get to a sew-in. I'm not one of those people that rock wigs either, but this right here, just, I don't understand. I'm like so excited. When I received this hair, I couldn't wait to try it, you guys, because I see the different hairstyles that the girls are pulling with this wig, and I was hoping and praying somebody will send me this wig. And I did. So I'm like, let's do it, let's do it, let's do it. I couldn't wait to sit down and try it with you guys. Okay, so as you guys can see, this is a short wig, which I'm so happy about because I'm so over the extremely long hair. So this is good, and it's super light. And I received this hair, you guys, from Fashion Villa. It came in this cute little bag. Yes. So Fashion Villa is on Amazon, you guys. I will have the link down below. So you guys, all you have to do is click on it and it'll take you straight to their store. And in this cute little bag, this contained the wig. It came with a wig cap. Okay, it came with 2 wig caps, which is really, really good. So you can use one now and save the other one for later. And what's so cool is it also came with 2 headbands. Yes. So the headband is basically to cover, I mean, of course it's fashionable, right? But the purpose of the headbands, for real, is to cover the black elastic, or it's not elastic, to cover the black band, the strap, basically. So I thought that was really, really cute because I didn't think they came with the bands. I mean, with the headbands, I thought, you know, the girls was rocking their own headbands and they were doing their own thing. But surprisingly, it came with 2 cute headbands. And I like both of them very, very much. I decided to rock this in the video for you guys since it kind of like matched the outfit. Oh, this matched the outfit too. So yes, you guys, I'm so excited. That was so fun. I'm probably going to rock this wig for 2 weeks straight, to be honest, because I'm kind of tired of doing my hair, and I'm extremely busy because it's around Valentine's and everybody want to get their hair done. So I honestly don't have time to do my own hair. So what a perfect time to rock this. Like, literally, I can just get up and go, snatch my wig on, go about the door, and when I get back home, snatch that bad boy off. The only thing I really have to worry about now is just my edges, and I could switch out my headbands every day to match my outfits. And the headbands, you guys, you can purchase these at touchbytiny.com. All right, you guys, so the headbands, they come in 6 different colors. All headbands can be purchased at touchbytiny.com. And honestly, this wig was super easy to put on. All I did was braid down my natural hair. I slapped the wig cap on, did my edges as you saw, rubbed a little mousse on it, you know, to keep it a little bit down because I didn't want it too frizzy and puffed up. So I just added a little bit of mousse to the hair. I brushed it out, and wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. That was it, you guys. Super duper duper easy. I'm excited, and I can't wait to see what my future holds with this hair. Please feel free, you guys, to hit up, don't forget, Fashion Villa on Amazon. And of course, you guys already know I use my edge control as well. Also can be purchased at touchbytiny.com. Yes. Hit up the link down below to go to Fashion Villa on Amazon and pick up this nice quick wig. I promise you, guaranteed a lifesaver and time saver, for real, for real. Thank you guys so very much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button. Thanks for watching. Peace and love.